നമസ്കാരം. ഷാഡോ ലേണിംഗ് സൊല്യൂഷൻസിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഈ വീഡിയോകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപയോഗപ്രദമാകുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും താഴെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. സഹകരണ മേഖലയിലെ പരീക്ഷകളുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് സ്റ്റഡി മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് ആവശ്യമുള്ളവർ താഴെ കാണുന്ന നമ്പറിൽ കോൺടാക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. The main object of forming a cooperative society is to comply cooperative principle, economic welfare of members, provide loan or consumer goods to customers, create employment opportunities. Answer option B, economic welfare of members. Chairman of CAPE, Cooperative Academy of Professional Education in Kerala is Minister for Health of Kerala, Minister for Education of Kerala, Chief Minister of Kerala, Minister for Cooperation. Answer option C, Chief Minister of Kerala. Form number used to create GAHAN, Form 8A, Form 8C, Form 8B, Form 8D. Answer option A, Form 8A. One man, one vote principle was recommended by Dash Committee, Minto Morley, Gorwala, McLagan, Mondegu, Chelmsford. Answer option C, McLagan Committee. The president of a cooperative society is owner, officer, advisor, employees. Answer option B, officer. Cooperation is included in the Dash schedule of Indian Constitution 5, 6, 7, 9. Answer option C, 7. The Operation Flood program was implemented through AMUL, NDDB, MILMA, NCDC. Answer option B, NDDB. The Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 2002 of India has incorporated Dash in its second schedule. Cooperative values, cooperative principle, cooperative values and principles, none of the above. Answer option D, none of the above. In December 2009, the United Nations declared Dash year as the International Year of Cooperatives 2012, 2010, 2011, 2013. Answer option A, 2012. The headquarters of International Cooperative Alliance was shifted to Brussels in Belgium 2012, 2010, 2011, 2013. Answer option D, 2013. Dash is a multi-state cooperative society engaged in the business of manufacturing and marketing of fertilizers. NAFED, IFCO, NCHF, none of these. Answer option B, IFCO. The red color in the cooperative flag of International Cooperative Alliance stands for Dash of Cooperatives: Vision, Challenge, Growth, Courage. Answer option D, Courage. Dash is an apex organization founded on the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October 1958. NAFED, IFCO, NCDC, NDDB. Answer option A, NAFED. PACS Incorporation stands for Primary Agricultural Credit Society, Primary Association of Credit Societies, Primary Agricultural Cooperative Society, Primary Association of Cooperative Societies. Answer option A, Primary Agricultural Credit Society. LAMS stands for Large Sized Multipurpose Cooperative Societies, Large Agricultural Multipurpose Cooperative Societies, Large Sized Adivasi Multipurpose Cooperative Societies, none of the above. Answer option C, Large Sized Adivasi Multipurpose Cooperative Societies. Societies exempted from payment of audit fees under Rule 65(3). Societies of which majority or all members are scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. Societies having concurrent auditor. social welfare societies, all of these. Answer option D, all of these. The registrar shall make an order for the cancellation of the registration of the society under Section 73, Section 74, Section 72, Section 75. Answer option B, Section 74. The government have the right to nominate not more than dash persons on the committee of an apex or central society. 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer option A, 2. Dash is based on the principle of self-interest, maximization of profits and exploitation, cooperation, capitalism, socialism, trade unionism. Answer option B, capitalism. Which one of the following is related to Sri Chaudhary Brahmaprakash, ex-member of Parliament, former General Secretary, National Cooperative Union of India, former Union Minister of Agriculture and Cooperation, all of these. Answer option D, all of these. Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 2002 was enacted with the objective to facilitate the voluntary formation and democratic functioning of cooperatives as people's institutions based on self-help and mutual aid, to enable the people to promote their economic and social betterment, to provide functional autonomy and freedom to cooperatives. All of these. Answer option D, all of these. The centennial year of the Indian cooperative movement, 1969, 2012, 2004, 2014. Answer option C, 2004. The expert group on agricultural indebtedness was set up in August 2006 under the chairmanship of R. Radhakrishna, N. Vaidyanathan, A.D. Gorwala, none of these. Answer option A, R. Radhakrishna. Education fund of every cooperative society has to be paid within dash months from the date of receipt of audit certificate. 3, 2, 4, 6. Answer option B, 2. Collective management is realized by the cooperative organization through scalar chain, division of work, election of office bearers, delegation of authority. ഈ question cancelled ആണ്. Which of the following is not a cooperative federation in India? NAFED, Mother Dairy, IFCO, CRIPCO. Answer option B, Mother Dairy. Founder of first cooperative journal, The Cooperator, Robert Owen, Charles Howard, Dr. William King, none of these. Answer option C, Dr. William King. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Registration certificate, section 8A. Affiliation to Apex Society, section 8. Final authority in a society, section 26. Application for registration of cooperative society, section 6. Answer option D. Application for registration of cooperative societies, section 6. Part of Banking Regulation Act applicable for cooperative societies, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6. Answer option C, part 5. Dash is an officer or person appointed under section 68A of Kerala Cooperative Societies Act. Registrar, arbitrator, vigilance officer, liquidator. Answer option C, vigilance officer. Cooperation became a state subject from dash onwards. 1947, 1919, 1942, 1956. Answer option B, 1919. The V.K. Patil Committee was appointed by the Government of India in 2001, 2000, 1996, 2004. Answer option A, 2001. The first general body meeting of a cooperative society has to be convened within dash days from the date of registration. 120 days, 90 days, 180 days, 60 days. Answer option B, 90 days. International Cooperative Day is celebrated in every year on first Saturday of July, second Saturday of July, November 14, November 19. Answer option A, first Saturday of July. There is similarity between cooperation and capitalism in respect of mutual help, service motive, holding of private property, exploitation. Answer option C, holding of private property. The section of Kerala Cooperative Societies Act which provides protection to the share capital and other interest of a member in a society from the attachment and sale in execution of a decree. Section 37, Section 38, Section 39, none of these. Answer option C, Section 39. Cooperative movement and development in India is the outcome of trade union movement, voluntary effort of the public, initiative taken by the government, none of these. Answer option C, initiatives taken by the government. State Cooperative Election Commission is constituted under Section 28B, Section 28A, Section 29, none of these. Answer option A, Section 28B. All India Rural Credit Review Committee was established by the Reserve Bank of India in 1951, 1954, 1970, 1963. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. നബാർഡ് ഈസ് എ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ബാങ്ക്, ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് ബാങ്ക്, ഷെഡ്യൂൾഡ് ബാങ്ക്, നൺ ഓഫ് ദീസ്. Answer option B, development bank. The structure of cooperative urban bank in Kerala is single tier, 2 tier, 3 tier, 4 tier. Answer option A, single tier. The General Council of NCDC consists of dash members 12, 15, 51, 13. The reasons for the 97th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2011 are: over the years, the cooperative sector has made a significant contribution to various sectors of national economy. It has achieved large growth, but it has shown weakness in safeguarding the interest of the members and the fulfillment of objects for which these institutions were organized. There have been incidents where elections have been postponed indefinitely. Nominated office bearers have remained in charge of these institutions for a long time, resulting in a reduction in the accountability of cooperative societies to their members. A, 1, 2 and 3, B, C, B, 2 and 4, C, 2 and 3, D, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Which article in Indian Constitution make the formation of cooperative society a fundamental right of Indian citizen? 19C, 43B, 226, 268. Answer option A, 19C. Power to make rules as per Kerala Cooperative Societies Act is vested on government, Legislative Assembly, Registrar of Cooperative Societies, State Cooperative Union. Answer option A, government. Dash was the chairman of high-powered committee on cooperatives appointed by Government of India in 2009. Shivaji Rao Patil, A. Vaidyanathan, Sir Malcolm Darling, S. Nijalingappa. Answer option A, Shivaji Rao Patil. An officer who executes the award is called sale officer, arbitrator, liquidator, administrator. Answer option A, sale officer. Chairman of Kerala Cooperative Information Bureau Advisory Committee, Secretary, Cooperative Department, Registrar of Cooperatives, Minister of Cooperation, none of these. Answer option A, Secretary, Cooperative Department. Surcharge is levied under Section Dash of Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 69, 68, 67, 66. Answer option B, 68. The National Cooperative Housing Federation of India was founded in the year 1968, 1969, 1970, 1971. Answer option B, 1969. The security for a long-term loan not include mortgage of fixed asset, pledge of goods, hypothecation of movable asset, none of these. Answer option B, pledge of goods. Bridge loans which are provided to the industrial undertaking for the winding up of the company, construction of bridges and building, meeting short-term urgent needs, merging one bank with other. Answer option C, meeting short-term urgent needs. Capital adequacy is one of the pillars of Dash norms for good governance, IMF, Basel, ADB, RBI. Answer option B, Basel. IFSC consists of total alphanumeric number of 10, 11, 9, 12. Answer option B, 11. The market for short-term loans is called capital market, bill market, acceptance market, money market. Answer option D, money market. Expands CTS, check transaction system, computer transaction software, clear transaction system, check truncation system. Answer option D, check truncation system. Which card is issued by National Payment Corporation of India? Visa debit card, Master debit card, RuPay debit card, Mastro debit card. Answer option C, RuPay debit card. The NBFC are allowed to accept public deposit for a maximum period of 12 months, 48 months, 72 months, 60 months. Answer option D, 60 months. The rate of interest is the call money market is determined by lenders and borrowers, RBI, SEBI, Indian Bank Association. Answer option A, lenders and borrowers. The drawer of a check is mentioned the date subsequent to the date on which it is drawn. It is called predated check, post-dated check, stale check, none of these. Answer option B, post-dated check. Demonetization of banknotes rupees 500 and rupees 1000 was announced on 2016 November 18, 2018 November 8, 2016 November 28, 2016 November 8. Answer option D, 2016 November 8. The most suitable deposit scheme for traders, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, current deposit, savings deposit. Answer option C, current deposit. The document drawn by the debtor contains unconditional undertaking to pay the money to the creditor, promissory note, bill of exchange, demand draft, cross check. Answer option A, promissory note. If check is not crossed, it is called order check, bearer check, open check, dishonored check. Answer option C, open check. The appropriation takes place in dash order according to Clayton's case. Alphabetical order, preferential order, chronological order, no specific order. Answer option C, chronological order. Banking institutions providing long-term loans are investment banks, corporate banks, exchange banks, rural banks. Answer option A, investment banks. The security which holds stability in its price, gold, share of company, Real estate, government bonds. Answer option D, government bonds. The higher cash reserve ratio will lead to higher volume of credit, lower volume of credit, not affect the volume of credit, none of these. Answer option B, lower volume of credit. The priority sector lending not include agriculture, housing finance, large scale industries, SSI units. Answer option C, large scale industries. During the period of inflation, the RBI dashed the securities in the open market, buys, converts, sells, control. Answer option C, sells. The activities of Agriculture Credit Department is handled by NABARD, RRB, RBI, SBI. Answer option A, NABARD. The Reserve Bank of India started its function on 1953, 1945, 1932, 1935. Answer option D, 1935. The following is not a nationalized bank. State Bank of India, Canada Bank, Dhanalakshmi Bank, none of these. This question cancelled ആണ്. Demand draft is issued by bank, customer, debtor, creditor. Answer option A, bank. ECS means electronic check clearance, electronic customer service, electronic consumer service, electronic clearing service. Answer option D, electronic clearing service. The relationship between the customer and the banker in case of deposit, principal and agent, debtor and creditor, lessee and lessor, none of these. Answer option D, none of these. Total number of banks nationalized in 1969, 16, 18, 14, 17. Answer option C, 14. The management of account receivable of the exporter or manufacturer is known as foreign exchange service, restructuring service, factoring service, venture capital assistance. Answer option C, factoring service. The bank which meet the long-term requirement of agriculturist, land development bank, state cooperative bank, regional rural bank, none of these. Answer option A, land development bank. The major players in Indian money market, cooperative banks, private money lenders, non-banking financial institutions, commercial banks. Answer option D, commercial banks. Which of the following is not the external cause for NPA, poor credit appraisal system of bank, industrial recession, government policy, natural calamities? Answer option A, poor credit appraisal system of bank. The non-performing asset which cannot be recovered is termed as doubtful asset, substandard asset, loss asset, standard asset. Answer option C, loss asset. SARFAESI Act 2002 came into force to manage NPA, to control black money, to regulate foreign exchange, to avoid cyber crimes. Answer option A, to manage NPA. An organization underwrite the securities of corporate entity, unit bank, branch bank, merchant bank, none of this. Answer option C, merchant bank. Licensing to banking companies is given under dash section of Banking Regulation Act 1949, section 49, section 22, section 32, section 23. Answer option B, section 22. The expense of special audit of a banking company specified in the order made by the Reserve Bank shall be borne by the banking company, Reserve Bank of India, Ministry of Finance, CAG of India. Answer option A, the banking company. As per PMJJBY scheme on the death of insured, risk coverage available is 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 2 lakh 50,000, 4 lakh 50,000. Answer option A, 2 lakh. Under Adult Pension Yojana, the guaranteed pension receivable at the age of 55 years, 65 years, 60 years, 50 years. Answer option C, 60 years. The right of set off means right to sell, right to transfer, right to buy, right to combine. Answer option D, right to combine. The banker's lien is always general lien, specific lien, mortgage lien, none of these. Answer option A, general lien. Input and output devices such as monitors and keyboards are classified as arithmetic units, control unit devices, peripheral device, main store device. Answer option C, peripheral device. Two types of memories, RAM and ROM, are part of backup memory, main memory, short-term memory, long-term memory. Answer option B, main memory. Examples of system programs includes operating system of computer, trace program, compiler, all of above. Answer option D, all of above. Program provides users with grid of rows and columns is classified as column grid, spreadsheet, rows grid, reliability grid. Answer option A. Answer option B, spreadsheet. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider, Internet System Provider, International Service Provider, International System Program. Answer option A, Internet Service Provider. A device which is used to boost the signal between two cable segments or wireless access point is booster, repeater, switch, router. ഈ question cancelled ആണ്. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called uploading, forwarding, FTP, downloading. Answer option D, downloading. Which one of the following is not used to generate dynamic web pages? PHP, ASP.NET, JSP, none of the mentioned. Answer option D, none of the mentioned. The computer jargon www stands for World Wide Web, WOM, World Wide Wildlife Web, World Wide Women's Web, World Wide Women's Week. Answer option A, World Wide Web, WOM. What is the updated version of the IT Act 2000? IT Act 2007, Advanced IT Act 2007, IT Act 2008, Advanced IT Act 2008. Answer option C, IT Act 2008.